The power of rail. For decades, North America's railroads have served as the continent's transportation backbone. Now, ECDC is putting the power of rail transportation to work for the industrial waste industry. From the company's ECDC Environmental Landfill in central Utah, ECDC is providing industrial customers across North America with the ultimate waste-by-rail service. Located on a carefully selected 2,400-acre site, the ECDC Environmental Landfill is connected to a main line of the nation's railroad grid. Constructed specifically for processing waste transported by rail, the ECDC Environmental Landfill is the largest, most modern facility of its type anywhere in the world. A dry climate and favorable geology make ECDC site ideal for a major landfill. Waste is deposited in giant triple-line cells, constructed to standards that far exceed federal Subtitle D requirements. Total capacity at the site exceeds 300 million cubic yards. A wide variety of waste containers are received and processed at the landfill daily. Intermodal containers are staged in the landfill's 2-mile-long intermodal yard. A 50-ton straddle crane lifts the loaded containers from flat cars and transfers them to a truck chassis for the short trip to the landfill cell. Once inside the landfill, a tipper quickly unloads the container's contents. Rail cars are unloaded in an efficient rotary dumper. This fully enclosed building houses a rotary tipper that turns rail cars completely upside down, allowing the contents to drop quickly to the tipping floor below. There, a tractor loads the material into dump trucks that shuttle the waste to the landfill face. This powerful technology allows a crew of 4 people to completely unload a 100-car unit train in less than 6 hours. In the field, ECDC crews can load the same 100 rail cars at a single site in only a day. That is almost 10,000 tons of material, or the equivalent of 500 truckloads. Winter temperatures are no obstacle to the process. Both the rotary dump and the intermodal facility are equipped with state-of-the-art heat sheds that use infrared heaters to quickly thaw frozen loads. Another innovative system uses recycled water to clean both rail cars and containers after use. Clean, empty rail cars are often reloaded with coal from Utah mines for the outbound trip, further increasing the cost-effective use of ECDC environmental rail equipment. Industrial liquids are received by ECDC to be solidified prior to placement in the landfill cell. A comprehensive drum handling facility speeds the processing of industrial materials shipped in 55-gallon drums. Even the roads on the expansive landfill site are paved, in keeping with ECDC Environmental's total quality focus. But the landfill is only part of the rail haul story. The real power of rail haul can often be found hundreds of miles from the landfill site. Working from regional offices, scattered from Boston to LA, ECDC rail haul specialists focus on designing customized waste management programs. Experienced in all phases of transportation and disposal operations, these specialists can help analyze waste streams for volume and density, recommend the rail equipment best suited for handling each waste stream, consult customers regarding industrial waste handling and transportation regulations, assist in design and construction of container or rail car loading facilities at or near the customer site, obtain favorable rail transportation rates using ECDC's substantial volume discounts, schedule shipments and handle daily logistics for ongoing waste operations, including loading of waste at the customer site into ECDC rail equipment, Ship waste through ECDC's own rail yards, conveniently located in many major urban areas. With this kind of support, rail haul customers get much more than a quote for a tip fee. They receive a start-to-finish waste transportation and disposal program designed specifically for their needs. Waste streams most commonly handled through rail haul include industrial plant waste, contaminated soils, sludge, dredge spoils, auto fluff, and construction and demolition debris. Whether you have a recurring waste stream to manage or a single project to get done, ECDC Environmental could be the transportation and disposal option that provides top quality service while saving you time and money. Putting the power of rail to work for our customers. Another reason ECDC Environmental Services is the waste disposal industry leader.